how to change default email app on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. Open your system settings. Now we want to scroll down and open apps. And here at the top you will find default apps. Simply open this option and scroll down and find the email. Click on email. And here you can set your default email app. Make sure your mail app is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And if you want to set it, for example, for Gmail, simply do it. And that's how you can change it. Also, if you don't have these default apps here at the top, you have to scroll down and, for example, find the email app, which is the Gmail. And here you'll find the option default email app. And that's the same process. Click it and choose your default email app which you want. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.